how to make the smallest Roblox avatar. So first of all, we need to sign in with our account on Roblox. And next step, what you're gonna do is, depending on my limited settings, I'm gonna walk you through how you can do that. But if you have advanced settings, you'll be able to do so. So first of all, we need to click at the three lines at the top left, and we're gonna just click it right here to navigate it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just scroll until you find avatar right here. So I'm gonna just click on it. I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. Okay, and while it's downloading, what you're gonna do is you're gonna see right here in the recent section if you want to change clothing, body part. So we're gonna just choose the body parts for example, and you will see right here in the loading section that this is you're gonna see multiple options for body parts. And if you have advanced settings, you will be able to choose a mini body part, so you can make the shape of that player smaller. And as you can see right here, from where I'm standing, it looks like, you know, kind of small. All right, but if you can make it smaller, that should be right. And the next one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna see right here in the clothing, we're gonna navigate through the clothing, and you will see right here head, face, neck, shoulders, front, back, waist, gear. So if you went to our head, you will see right here I don't have these items, okay, because I don't have the advanced, you know, settings, or I haven't bought anything. And here you will see, you know, if you navigate through the face, you will see right here multiple, you know, shapes and sounds. You can, you know, choose, you know, either of them to apply it to that to your character on Roblox. And here in the head and body, you will see right here heads, you know, hair and all that. We're gonna just, you know, focus on the heads. And as you can see right here, I have two options, and you're gonna see right here the cheese look good and Stevie standard if you want just to leave it like this. And here you will see, you know, the animation, the walk and all that. So we're gonna just go ahead right here to the idle, and here as you can see I don't have this item, but if you do, you're gonna choose your item animation and apply it to your character. And the same goes for if you want to go back to your head and body and go ahead to scale. You will just be able to, you know, add height and make width and make the shape of the head, you know, look smaller, and apply it to your settings. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.